tried to curl my hair and didn't really work. Trying to make me go to rehab and I say no, no, no. Hello everyone. I have something very special to share with you guys, and you already know what it is. Today I am doing a Forever 21 haul. I have been waiting for these clothes for so long. Well, really only about like 5 days, but like I was so excited to get these. Where'd my scissors go? How do I always lose my scissors? Okay. Alright, so I'm doing this a little differently. I decided to do it more like first impression, so we're gonna open this box and you're gonna see my reactions as I take the things out of the box. So let's see. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. The first thing is this skirt. Okay, so the deal with Forever 21 skirts, I'm already gonna start rambling. I never fit into Forever 21 skirts. They're always too big on me. I just don't have the right body type for them, I don't think. I got a lot of skirts, so I'm not expecting them to fit. I don't want to get my hopes up too high. I can always hem them though. But I wanted to get skirts from Forever 21 where they didn't fit as much just because they're so much cheaper than other places like Princess Polly. Even though Princess Polly has the cutest skirts, I just wanted to get the basics, like the white, blacks, you know, like the basic skirts at Forever 21 because it's just the cheapest there. But here is the skirt. It's just a white skirt, and I thought it would have like a zipper or something, but it doesn't. I'm a little upset. I mean, I wasn't expecting it to fit. I don't even know if it fits or not, but it looks pretty big. Looks a little too like wide. I don't have hips. So, and this was $12.99, but I got a coupon in the end of everything that took off, like, it was a 30% off coupon for the whole order. So my order went from like $129 to $95, which is pretty good if I do say so myself. Okay, so I have the first item on. It's very see-through already. You could see my underwear through it. It looks too businessy. This just looks weird, and I don't know. I mean, it actually does fit, which I'm like really happy about. It's a little loose around here, but it's also like, I don't know. It's like, can work. It could work. If I were to like this, it would be fine, but like it also has a lot of room in it. I wish it was tighter. I don't like it. Simple as that. Return. Next, we have this little blue tank top. It already looks so cute. I already adore it. I don't have anything this color, and it's just a very summery, bright, fun color, and has this little trim on it, this cute little trim, and then little lettuce edge on the bottom, and it's just really cute, simple tank top that could, you can even put a patch on this. I still have patches from when I bought patches to DIY a while ago. Ow. So, another great item. I'm really excited about this. I'm filming the try-on portion in different orders of how I opened it, so that might make it a little confusing of why I'm saying finally like another good item. Yeah, I'm really happy with this. It's weird because the white shirt, the white tank top of this fit way looser. It actually is even a little tight under my armpits, but it fits really nice around my body. It's like a perfect amount of cropped, and it's really cute. I'm glad this one fit rather than the white one because I like this color a lot, and I don't have any color like this in my wardrobe. So I'm really excited about this. I'm rating this a 9 out of 10. Not a 10 out of 10 just because it's a little tight here, but other than that, I'm really happy with this. Next, I have this belt, and a lot of this stuff, I think everything I got was already like on sale or cheap enough that once I did the coupon, it would be like, everything I got with the coupon was below $17. I didn't get any item that was above that price. So this is a very trendy and cheap clothing haul for you guys, so you can go grab some stuff yourself. But this, oh, this is a cute, I don't have any plain black belts, surprisingly, with like a plain buckle. So I got this gold black belt, and it was $7.99, but I remember it being like $3 something with the coupon code. I don't want to like be like last time when I was trying to figure out the prices in the Princess Polly haul, like trying to do the math and everything, because I can't do the math. So it's originally $7.99. So I'm putting on the belt right now, and they didn't have an extra small, they only had a small medium, and so I took the chance of just getting it, but I think it's too big. And I also can't even test it out because it has a lock on it. Yeah, I would have to add way more holes on it, which is so fun, like I don't mind. I think this belt is cute and it sucks that it's too big, but it's fine because I can just add more holes and it's all great. Good, whatever. Okay, next. I was so excited about this item. I hope it fits me because it's so cute. It is this. It's so cute. This purple pinkish, it's like lavender pinkish slip dress. It has a little ruching in the front and it's like silky satin material and it's just so cute. I'm so excited to see what this looks like. I started laughing when I put this dress on, like as I was putting it on, just because it looks so funny. At the bottom, you could see it's weird. It's like it looks like a cartoon dress, like how it's like popping out in different directions. And it's too long. If I were to have this dress fit perfectly on me, I would want it to be like this length. And that's far from it. Also, it's too big on top. It kind of is like has too much fabric. Like, I know it's supposed to be a lot of fabric for ruching, but like here it's just a little too loose. And I need to tighten these because they keep falling off. It's just like cute little ties. But I'm actually really upset because I was really looking forward to this item and hoping that it would fit. I'm gonna rate it a 3 out of 10 because it's really cute. I like the design a lot, besides how long it is. And I just wish it wasn't so big here. But it's still a cute dress and nice little details. Hopefully I can get it hemmed and make it fit because it's so cute. The next thing is this necklace, and I've always wanted a coin necklace, but I never could find one, and also could never find one just for a decent price. But this one was really cheap on the website, and it's really cute, and I think it comes like in 3 parts, but I think you can separate them. Okay, yeah, I think they're all separate. So it comes with 3 necklaces, and it comes with this really cute, what does this even say? I don't know what it says, but it's this really cute coin one. And then, that didn't even focus, I'm sorry. And then a smaller coin one. And then a normal little chain. And yeah, that should be really cute. I'm really excited. I'm really probably just gonna wear the bigger coin because, I mean, it could be cute to wear 2 coins together. We'll see. Ooh, okay, so along with the blue t-shirt, little tank top I also got a white one because I want a lot of white basic little crop top tank tops so I can just, you know, match them with like bottoms or whatever, just like, you know, it's always good to have. So I got it in white, and it's just the same top as before, and I forget if I said it, but these tops were $7.99 and I got it for like, I don't even know why I tried at this point, like 5 something, who knows. I don't know how I feel about this top. It's like, I kind of look, it just looks bad, kinda. I feel like if these were thinner straps, it would be way cuter. But this just makes my shoulders look so broad. And it's also like a little bunchy, and I feel like if it was more like skin tight, it would just be way more flattering. It's cute still. I'm kind of upset about this, not gonna lie. I'm gonna give the shirt a 5 out of 10 because I'm iffy about it. It doesn't look too bad, but it is kind of not cute. So I have to decide. Next, I got another skirt. I'm really excited for this skirt. It looks really cute and it might fit. It's just this purple, bluish, like, I don't even know, indigo is it maybe? Skirt. It's just checkered. It has a cute little button and it's really cute. And it was, oh, it doesn't have a price. I think it was around, let's go with around like $12 just because I feel like a lot of their stuff is just around $12. I folded this top just so we could see the skirt better, but I think it's so cute. The only thing is, I mean, there's actually a few little things. One, it's just a little big on my waist, but it's like not too much, so I think it's fine. I could always like get it hemmed or just literally sew it myself. It's really would be easy just to like put a stitch in. And it like rides up a little, so when it's like normal length it looks like that, and I feel like that's a little long. I also just don't think my body looks good in skirts. Like, I think I'm just too straight down. I have no like curves to fit the skirts. I think I still like wearing skirts, so I still want to wear them. This just doesn't look as good. It just looks straight down, which kind of sucks, but I can't change my body, so body positivity. I don't really know. It's like iffy. It's not like I'm in love with it just because it's just not too flattering. I think that's like really what it is. I say that word a lot. My friends always say that I say that word a lot, so. I rated it a 6 out of 10 because it's just not the most flattering, but it's still really cute. And I'm sure I can do something to fix it. There's a dog battle going on outside. Next, I got another color in the white skirt I got. I got it in black. Oh no, this isn't the same skirt actually. This one has a zipper in the back and it's more like canvasy material. The other one was more like soft fabricy material. But this one actually has a zipper, which is like better. I would rather have a zipper, and I like this skirt better, I think. Okay, now this is what I like. I really like this one. Again, it's a little big, like it could just be a little tighter, but it's nothing like too bad. Like if it was just like that, I could even hem it. Like I could hem this myself because it's simple little stitches I can just make in the back or whatever. But it's so cute. Like I really like this skirt, and I probably will get the white version in this. I'm gonna give this skirt a 9 out of 10, not a 10 out of 10 just because it's a little, like the smallest bit big on me, but other than that, it's so cute. Yay, I'm so happy. So I got all those tight skirts, but then I also found this flowy skirt, and I've wanted a skirt like this for a while. It's so cute. It's just this really pretty purple color, and it has like the little frillies, and it needs to be like, you know, it's very stiff right now, but it also has drawstring so it could fit to your waist. I hope it's like a workable drawstring. I think I got this for like $17. I think this was the most expensive thing I got. I think the dress might have been actually, but it goes for $20, $19.99. I look like a cupcake. I don't understand why it's like flailing out like a triangle. If it didn't go out so much like a triangle, I feel like it would be so much cuter. I don't understand why it's doing that. Like it's probably just, it's because of the material, definitely. Like it's just not the best material, so it's not as flowy. Maybe if this was like steamed, it would like not be so annoying like that. I don't know how I feel about this. I'm like kind of sad. These Forever 21 items are disappointing me. So I rate this a 4 out of 10 just because it just doesn't fit right and it's just not that flattering. Last but certainly not least in this lovely haul, I got this black top. It ties in the front and it has little like frillies at the end, and I think you can untie it. I wasn't sure if it was like connected at the bottoms, but it's not. You can untie it and you can like either wear a shirt underneath it, or probably you can wear it without a shirt too because it seems like it closes up enough. I don't know, we'll see. So this top, I don't know how I feel about it. I feel like it makes me kind of look wide, like wider, and it's just not that flattering. I obviously am not wearing a shirt underneath. Maybe it would look better with a shirt underneath. Maybe I shouldn't wear these jeans with it though, but I don't know what else I would wear it with. I don't know, this one's also maybe, it's like, it's pretty cute, but it also is just, it's different. It's just not the cutest it could be. I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 10 because it's like in the middle, it's iffy. So that was the end of my haul. I'm filming this part before I do the try on, obviously, because I just opened this up for the first time, so I'm not sure if I am disappointed with some of the things or not. Maybe, because I bet a lot of these things, not a lot of them, but some of them won't fit me, which is super disappointing, but it's fine. I can always get them hemmed or return them. It's fine. Not the end of the world. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please give it a like. I never say that, but that could be fun if you do. Give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe. I also never say that, but always fun to try new things. And why do I keep doing this? Also, don't forget to check out my social media. My Instagram, I post on there sometimes, and I try posting my story as often as I can. I kind of forget sometimes, but check it out. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!